Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over how you can basically create a drag and drop type script within inside of your strategy. So to do that, we need to have a strategy kind of built out, and we're going to use a strategy that we already implemented in another video. So we're going to go to equity here, and we're going to go down to pre-screen technical preferences. Now this was based off of a daily time frame, and what we're going to show you how to implement maybe trading from that list on a shorter time frame scale by using advanced scripts right inside the strategy. So you can see here, these are all of the signals that we created for this preference. So we're going to save that, and then we're going to come over here to the plus sign on the yes side, and we're going to go down to the decision here. And inside the decision drop down, we actually have an advanced technical indicator script where we can make sure that everything in here comes up with another script that we add into this. So let's just take a look here. We're going to want all the criteria to match, right? We don't want just one or two. We want all of it. So we're going to go to price. We're going to go to closing price. We're going to use current period. This might reset, so we're going to have to double check that at the end. And then we're going to want to make sure that price is now above the 20 unit moving average. We're going to set that to 30 minutes period. And if we want to add another one, we're going to add basically another one, but we're going to make sure that's also above the 50 unit because we don't want to be caught in like a downtrend on that 30-minute time frame. So we'll go here, current period. Some of these do reset, so we'll have to just take a quick look. And above the moving average, and we'll get down here to the 50 and reset the time frame, current. And now you have a script that you threw on to that daily watch list that creates signals. Now we're only going to trade those securities that are also above the 20 unit and the 50 unit on the 30-minute time frame. So now we can hit save if we don't want to add any more scripts to that. And we will just go back in here quickly and retitle this to 30-min bull so that we know that this is trading on an intraday basis versus the daily basis. So now we would want to just finish building out the bot itself. So come down here, open a position for your strategy. Day in force, we're just going to do trade count 1 here, and we're just going to use the day in force. And we're going to do a call, when to expire. We're going to want to drop this down since we are trading on a 30-minute time scale. So you can do anything. I would say, maybe look at like 5-10 days if you're looking at like a short-term situation like this. So we'll do the 40 delta buy to open. And then we're going to come down here and make that adjustment. Like I said in previous videos, kind of look for the mid to the ask if you're buying option premium a lot of the times. We're going to want to make sure that there's at least 50 contracts of open interest. You can always change that to 100 if you want. That's something I like. And then we're just going to have a max trade count of 1 day in force. So then that would open the position. And then you could come down here, finish out your closeout details. And that's that. I mean, it's simple as that. We were able to now build a short-term bot that trades off of a daily bullish signal watch list. So all you have to do is go in if you need to make adjustments. You go into those advanced scripts quickly in your tree diagram, and you're able to implement something extra. You could also do it on a daily time scale, right? So maybe everything you didn't like was inside of that my bot predetermined preferences. You want to see if maybe performance improves if you add maybe like a MACD crossover or some type of candle formation pattern. So you can simply come in, add that in here as well, and then you just keep pressing on the plus sign inside those advanced scripts, and you could build your own script right inside the bot.